Hi, this is a video for question 2 in your assignment 1. It's a trigonometric equation. We have the sine of x plus pi in radians plus 1 outside the sine equals 1.5. We start by leaving the sign on its own, so sine of x plus pi equals 1.5 minus 1, so 0.5. Then we calculate the inverse sine. X plus pi is equal to the inverse sine of 0.5. We use the calculator to get this value. We're gonna get 0.5 inverse sine is 30. Okay, so I'll just write here 30 degrees. This is the value that we're gonna put in our unit circle to check for extra values. In this case, we continue here. X is equal to 30. Now 30 is in degrees, pi is in radians. I need to change the pi to degrees, 180. So we get minus 150 degrees, which is the same as 210 degrees in positive terms. Now we're going to put our value in the unit circle, and we're going to put our 30 degrees in the unit circle. There is going to be another angle that is going to have the same value for the sine with the same sign. That is going to be in the second quadrant. Remember, the sine transfers horizontally from the first quadrant to the second, and the third to the fourth, and fourth to third, and second to first. The cosine will transfer vertically and the tan diagonally. Okay, so in this case we're working with a sine. That means that this angle here, x plus pi, is also going to be equal to 180 minus 30, which is going to be 150. If we now work it out, x is 150 minus 180, which is pi. I'm just moving this, transferring this across here. We get minus 30 degrees, which is the same as 330 degrees. Whenever we have a trigonometric equation, when we're finished, we can always use our calculator to check that that value is correct. We have 330 degrees plus 180, which is what my equation is saying. Get your x value, which we said was 330, add 180, calculate the sine of that angle, and that plus 1 is equal to 1.5. Okay, we can check with our other solution. That was 210 plus 180. Calculate the sine of that. It's 0.5 plus 1 is 1.5. So both are correct. As we only have an x here, we don't need to go around the circle anymore, and our two solutions are going to be 210 and 330.